I learned the hard way that pairing premium full synthetic oil with a cheap, flimsy filter is a guaranteed recipe for automotive disaster. Standing in the auto parts aisle, the marketing jargon is completely overwhelming, with endless claims about micron ratings, silicone anti-drainback valves, and synthetic media. How do you know what actually works? After exhaustively testing the most popular options on the market, I have found exactly which filters keep your engine running like a dream and which ones dangerously fall short. The number one pick might just save your engine. Let's count them down. 5. Motorcraft Oil Filter FL Series. If you drive a Ford, Lincoln, or Mercury, you have undoubtedly seen these dominating the dealership shelves, as they are the trusted OEM standard for those specific vehicles. I picked this one up because it holds a massive reputation among automotive purists who insist on sticking strictly with factory specifications. Upon first inspection, the exterior build quality feels reasonably solid, featuring a painted steel case with a fluted bottom that makes it relatively easy to grip with a standard filter wrench when you're sliding under the car for a quick driveway oil change. Under the hood, Motorcraft utilizes a specialized cellulose and synthetic blend media, which is designed to capture dirt and airborne particulates effectively as you drive. It also features a silicone anti-drainback valve, a crucial internal component intended to keep oil suspended inside the filter when the engine is off, thereby preventing damaging dry starts. In my daily driving tests around town, it did a serviceable job of filtering out standard contaminants over a brief 3,000-mile period. The bypass valve is strategically located at the threaded end, which is a smart design choice because it prevents washed-over debris from being aggressively pushed back into the engine if the filter media eventually clogs. However, when pushing this filter to the rigorous limits required by modern full synthetic oils, I started to notice some glaring structural shortcomings. During extended mileage testing, the blended paper media simply did not hold up to the harsh conditions as well as a fully synthetic counterpart. When I finally cut the filter open after a long interval, the interior pleats showed obvious signs of wavy distortion, indicating that the extreme pressure and prolonged exposure to boiling hot synthetic oil were actively breaking down the integrity of the elements inside. 4. Bosch Premium Oil Filter. Bosch is a brand globally synonymous with top-tier German engineering and high-quality automotive components, so my expectations were naturally quite high when I strapped this onto my test vehicle. The filter boldly boasts Bosch's exclusive Filtech media technology, which claims to screen out up to 99% of harmful engine contaminants before they reach critical bearings. Out of the box, it presents a clean, professional aesthetic, and the internal spring and bypass valve assembly look well constructed upon my initial visual inspection in the garage. The primary use case for this filter is for daily drivers looking for a slight upgrade over standard economy filters without venturing into the extreme high-performance price bracket. The Filtech synthetic blend media is tightly wound, and in my initial fluid flow tests, it demonstrated excellent oil circulation upon frigid cold startups. Bosch also incorporates a strong steel base plate and housing, which is designed to prevent annoying warpage, driveway leaks, and a generally poor fit. The lubricated nitrile gasket is supposed to ensure a beautifully tight seal and exceptionally easy removal, which sounds incredibly promising on paper for the weekend DIY mechanic. Yet, real-world testing quickly revealed some incredibly frustrating quirks that hold the Bosch premium back from true greatness. The first major issue I encountered was during the actual installation and subsequent removal process. Despite the factory pre-lubricated gasket, the rubber compound felt unusually stiff and proved highly prone to sticking stubbornly to the hot engine block. Getting it off after a long highway run required entirely too much leverage, almost leading to a completely crushed canister. Speaking of the outer canister, the metal housing actually felt noticeably thinner than some of the rugged competitors, making it frighteningly susceptible to denting from flying road debris or minor slip-ups with a metal oil filter wrench. 3. FRAM Synthetic Endurance Oil Filter. FRAM has admittedly had a polarizing reputation in the automotive community over the past few decades, but their top-tier synthetic endurance line completely shatters any negative preconceived notions you might hold. Engineered specifically for high-mileage synthetic oils, this premium filter promises a staggering 25,000-mile protection interval. When I first handled it, the sheer weight and undeniably robust construction immediately communicated that this is definitely not your grandfather's standard orange paper filter. The absolute core of this filter's impressive performance lies in its fully synthetic wire-backed media. Unlike the fragile blended materials found in our previous contenders, this metallic wire mesh reinforcement prevents the internal pleats from collapsing, bunching, or tearing under intense oil pressure and extreme engine temperatures. I subjected this filter to a grueling 10,000-mile test involving highly aggressive highway driving and miserable stop-and-go city traffic, and the structural integrity remained absolutely flawless upon dissection. Furthermore, it utilizes a high-quality, heavy-duty silicone anti-drainback valve that amazingly remains incredibly pliable regardless of extreme seasonal temperature fluctuations. Using this filter was an absolute breeze, largely thanks to the heavily textured grip coating generously applied to the exterior dome. If you have ever desperately tried a thread on a slick, oil-covered filter in a cramped, dark engine bay, you will instantly appreciate this seemingly minor but brilliant feature. It allowed for a completely secure, hand-tightened installation without ever needing specialized tools, and the eventual removal was just as effortless. The heavy-gauge steel tapping plate also ensured perfectly aligned threads every single time, completely eliminating the gut-wrenching anxiety of cross-threading during your routine maintenance. 2. PurolatorBOSS Maximum Engine Protection Spin-On Oil Filter. With a boldly aggressive name like Bosch, this filter definitely has a massive reputation to live up to, and I am thrilled to report that it delivers on virtually every single front. Purolator has long been a highly trusted name in automotive filtration, but the elite Bosch line represents the absolute pinnacle of their modern engineering capabilities. Built intentionally to handle the harshest driving conditions imaginable, from towing heavy loads up steep grades to surviving punishing extreme climates. This filter is specifically optimized to work in perfect harmony with full synthetic motor oils. The undeniable standout feature here is Purolator's proprietary Smart Fusion technology. This highly advanced system features a 100% synthetic media that is securely backed by a robust polymer mesh network. During my rigorous teardown and physical analysis, I found this polymer backing to be incredibly resilient, completely neutralizing any looming threat of media blowout or fatal pleat bunching even under immense fluid flow restrictions. The dirt removal efficiency is officially rated at over 99%, and a manufacturer boldly guarantees up to 15,000 miles of uncompromising, continuous engine protection. In my demanding practical application tests, the physical design of the PurolatorBOSS proved to be exceptionally user-friendly and incredibly durable against the elements. The exterior shell is beautifully coated in a durable Bosch black finish with a rough, textured grip that feels incredibly secure in the hand, whether it is wet or dry. Inside, the heavy-duty Bosch steel casing is visibly thicker than most of the fierce competition, providing a highly reassuring defense against external punctures from kicking up gravel. Additionally, the PurolatorBOSS custom gasket is an advanced silicone compound that provided a flawless leak-free seal on the very first try, perfectly resisting the chemical breakdown that often plagues cheaper rubber gaskets. 1. WIX XP Spin-On Oil Filter. Taking the undisputed #1 spot on our list is the truly legendary WIX XP Spin-On Oil Filter. When it genuinely comes to extreme duty, severe driving conditions, and maximizing the absolute life of your full synthetic oil, the WIX XP operates quietly in a magnificent class entirely of its own. I have personally tested countless filters over the years, and WIX has consistently proven time and time again to be the ultimate gold standard among professional mechanics, commercial fleet operators, and passionate automotive enthusiasts. This filter is specifically engineered for drivers who demand the absolute best protection against premature engine wear, and my extensive testing confirmed every ounce of its stellar reputation. The real secret to the WIX XP's utter dominance is its state-of-the-art wire-backed, fully synthetic filtration media. When I eagerly cut this metallic filter open after a highly punishing 12,000-mile test run, the internal architecture was an absolute sight to behold. The filter pleats were perfectly uniform, tightly packed, and held firmly in place by a heavy-duty metal center tube and the rigid external wire backing. Unlike traditional paper media that dangerously clogs and chokes vital oil flow, this synthetic glass-enhanced material incredibly captures an astonishing amount of microscopic sludge and harmful debris without ever restricting the critical flow of oil to your engine's fast-moving internal parts. Every single mechanical component hidden inside the WIX XP practically screams heavy-duty, over-engineered durability. It features a massively thick steel baseplate that completely mitigates any slight chance of flexing under high pressure, ensuring the threads always remain perfectly locked onto the engine block without leaking.